When someone is ready to spend money on a problem you or your business can solve, you want to be the first person or business they think of when they want to hand over that money. Now, I have 3 tips on how to be that person, how to be top of mind when someone has a problem that you can solve. So, first of all, you need to address your audience. You need to show that you know who you're talking to. So, if your ideal prospect is a CTO at a startup, you better be talking about things that a CTO at a startup cares about. If you don't talk about that stuff and you are just talking about yourself on your website and your social media and your blogs and all that stuff, if all you do is go on and on about why people should do business with you because you're so great, that is not a reason to be remembered. You want your audience to know that you understand their problem. Okay, tip number 2, you want to demonstrate clear value, especially for addressing your audience's pain points. The whole point of your existence as a business, as an entrepreneur, is to solve problems and exchange that solution for money. So, in order to get that money, you have to be the solution, and you have to make it clear that you provide a good solution to their problems. A lot of companies, they spend time just saying how great they are. They have features up the wazoo. It's just, check out how fast this is. Check out how smart we are. That does not address your audience's pain points. You need to address pain points. And tip number 3, you have to make this a no-brainer decision. Be the expert who provides everything that your audience needs. That might mean like a whole series of video tutorials or a blog post that goes from the tippity top of the subject all the way to the nitty gritty fine details. Be whatever the expert they need to solve this problem. So those are the 3 ways to be memorable. Address your audience, demonstrate clear value, and make it a no-brainer. Don't be hard to do business with. Make it easy for people to buy from you and remember you as the solution to their problems.